Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching of how to solve Rubik's Cube. So if you have never solved this, it could be really hard or maybe impossible. So you need to first to do this, you need to practice moves like this move, because this will come in use a lot. This move, and then start to do it a bit fast like this until it becomes speedy. Then you practice this move, which I'm not full speeding, not a full speed cuber yet. I'm just 8 years old learning. This like this. Okay, so once you are done with that, let's actually start solving this. So first you will find pieces like this, white and orange. Okay, and put that white and orange piece down there, rotate it here until it is lining up with the white piece. Take this all the way down to where its white is. Then you want to do the same, the other pieces like that. Then red, also do the same. So see guys, if you got this flipped corner, to take this like this, that it should all be properly aligned. And now last we need to do. So again we got this. Today I am not going to use that method. We are not going to do that. This will spoil the orange cross. So we'll take this one layer down to orange, up like that, and bam, you got the white cross. Now you want to insert this piece here. Take this. Okay, now no, don't do that. That's illegal. Take that. See, you're putting it like this. See, if it is getting checkered like this, then don't do it like that. Take it back in. See, you need to focus on this piece. Put it like this. Do it like this one, like that. Make sure that this is in this spot. Now you can take it out, and bam, you got a pair. Put this like this. You want to see that if it is working for this side. Nope, it is not working. It will get spoiled. So instead, we'll take this down just one layer. And put that and see. So we got this piece. So similarly, we'll do it on this side. Do that. Now let's get that piece. There's that piece. No, that's not the piece. Getting the piece. There's the piece. So you want to take this. And again, it is not getting checkered. This should not, the red, if the red was here, then you could have done this move. But see, it is same like that. So we are going to do like this. We want to do that 4 moves. I just start. And bam, again we got another pair. We are getting this step, and this step is called F12. And on YouTube you can also get this method. It's pretty much the best method if you are a beginner and just bought the cube. So then again, see, you have to, you might be asking, yeah, this has been lined up. Why isn't this getting lined up? That's it. That's why I taught this algorithm like this. See guys, it's not checkered properly like that. So that means again do that 4 moves, and bam, pair. For that, bam, pair. Now similarly we do it for here. See guys, focus. If here was green, we would have done this move. Then here it's not green and I just got sorry. So you can do that again. Next step is the top cross. For me it was done. So guys, if you have not done that, the top cross, you can do this 1 2 3 4 that. If you need to do that again, I taught that this one, you need to do that. You have to do this 4 moves, If there's none, it's 0, then you have to do this. Again, once you are at step, you will get an L shape like this. So put the L shape like that over there. Put it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it's a line. So again do a 1, 2, 3, 4. So like that, and it should all be correct. If it's not correct, could use this method. It should all be correct. So see, now guys, this is wrong and only these two correct. So you want to take this, focus on this pair, there, and if I align this, then this should be right. This is not right. So we will just do it like that. We got that again. So we will do it like that. No, we are not getting that. Again. And that should make all the pairs correct. Now we want to do match these corners. And guys, you can pay attention to this. What could be the most hardest part? First, take this like that, like that, like that. In this beginning, I taught you these moves. So then, any pairs lined up? Yes, this is lined up. So you go to this pair, go this side, and do that move again, like this, like that, that. Pretty much. Let's see, has it changed anything? It's in the correct spot. No. Then again repeat that. Yes, it has been correct all. So then, once all of that is correct, you can align that like that. Again with our 4 moves. And then last but not least, done. Guys, you want to practice this few times so that you can do it properly. Bye guys, see you next time.